Hi everyone, welcome to a new CrossVista SmartBranch video. On today's video, we would like to show you how easy it is to set up a CI/CD pipeline or a DevOps pipeline, or what we call at CrossVista a CDRM pipeline. Just to show you what's possible, I have created an example. So here we have a branch tree, so pipeline going from dev to SIT, pre-prod and production, as well as potentially having a branch for hotfix environment to speed up the creation of hotfixes and speed up the process of taking them to production. So what we have in this project, we have API gateway, thread networks, integration server, as well as non-WebMethods components like config files, as well as Oracle database components. In this case, could be MS SQL, any other things that you might want to cover. And that goes all the way down to central development, where we also have the 5 set of artifacts or constituents that we also have in production. Now, let me show you how easy it is to actually start setting something similar to that. Create new project, upload from live, give it a name, click next. We want to start with the integration server. Let's pick up the production server, click next, give it a name for that constituent type, which is integration server, and then here we'll be able to show you what to introspect as part of that server. Let's pick up packages at the moment and select the package that we want to select as part of creating that branch tree or that pipeline. So we want only the package called rec demos. And by clicking next and going to the end, what CrossVista is now doing, or CrossVista SmartBranch is doing, is getting that package out of the integration server and saving to the CrossVista SmartBranch repository. Click finish. And now what we have is basically a root branch like we have in the other project associated with your production environment that contains, if we open, just in this case, just one component, and we expand, contains that package with all everything that the package did contain. Yeah. So without much further ado as well, let's go and fork that initial SmartBranch root to the next environment. Let's jump over the pre-production and go directly to SIT, because it's the same. Let's pick up the integration environment, click finish, and we have the second branch associated with your SIT environment. And let's fork that again further. Let's selecting again our package as well if we want to fork on, and let's call that like we had in the other project, central dev. And in the same way, we can go ahead and associate this with our central development environment called dev1. Click next, click finish. So the only difference now is that SIT and central dev have the bottom part of that SmartBranch in a gray state because we don't know the status of that server. Let's click on initial synced by doing a check live sync. And what we'll see here, let's do the same, initial synced live sync. And what we see here is that we are comparing those branches with the live servers, so with SIT and central dev, and they turn the gray color into green, stating the fact to us that we are in sync. The pipeline at the moment is in sync between the version that we have of the package in the SmartBranch repository against the version of the package we have in the live servers. Then now your tree or your pipeline is now ready to start actually developing. Hopefully that was able to show you how easy it is to set this up. Thank you very much for your attention.